Hi kids, I'm back, and this week Pikachu and I are going to help you practice your addition when we're adding more and our subtraction when we're taking away. You ready, Pikachu? He's ready. Let's go. So Miss Myers was really sweet and she made this, I'm going to show you, this awesome farm scene with different animals. And we're going to use them to make some addition and subtraction sentences. So first off, I'm going to tell you a little story about this farm. On this farm, there were 3 little chickens. We'll call this one Harry. We'll call this one Sally. And we'll call this chicken Fred. So we have Harry, Sally, and Fred. They were happy. They had the whole farm to themselves. And then along came 2 big pigs who started eating all their food. So they weren't happy. So we have 2 pigs. Let's get another pig on there. There we go. And 3 chickens. But we want to find out how many we have all together. So we're going to be adding. So remember, we're going to use our plus symbol. So first, how many chickens do we have? 3. Good job. Let's write that. I'm going to use my marker so it's easier to see. Ready? Around a tree. Around a tree. That's how you make 3. There were 3 chickens and then 2 more pigs came. So we're adding more. So plus 2. We had 2 pigs. And all together, how many animals are on the farm now? So we're going to count them all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So we know 3 plus 2 more equals 5. So that was our addition sentence. I'm going to show you a subtraction sentence now. I'm actually going to show you on a piece of paper because I know you don't have this at home. But what you can do, what I did, is I drew a little farm. So I'm going to do a subtraction sentence with a piece of paper. You can draw a little farm to help you. And use whatever you have. I have, if you remember these cool little sponges we use sometimes for our chalkboards. And I picked out some yellow ones because they're going to be little baby chicks. So here's our little baby chicks. They're not on the farm yet. And we're going to do a subtraction sentence. But remember, first things first, it's always the same. You pick up your pencil and you write your name. So let's get Miss Henderson. Henderson. And remember, you guys are getting ready for first grade, so we're going to start putting the date on things. So today's date for Miss Henderson is April 20th, 2020. And this is going to help me do my problems. So, next story. On this farm, there were, you can count them for me, 1, 2, 3, 4. He's on the roof. 5, 6. This one's hiding behind the barn. 7. So these are my 7 baby chickens. So they're on the farm, they're playing. One's on the roof, he might get in trouble. And then what happened was 2 of them got scared. So they flew away. So we're going to take them away. Ready? 1, 2. 2 got scared and they flew away. And then there weren't as many left. How many are left? How many do you see? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 left now. 5 are on the farm. So we can write a number sentence for that. You can write it on the same piece of paper. You can write it on a different piece of paper. I'm going to get a different piece of paper so I don't mess up my farm. Okay, I'll write right here. So how many chickens did we start out with? Good, we had 7. And did we get more or did some leave and go away? Good, they went away. How many went away? 2. So we're going to subtract minus 2 equals, and then how many were left? Good, there were 5 left. So that's my number sentence to match my problem. So you can do that at home. If you have the packet, I'm going to show you. Your homework is on page 80. There are addition and subtraction problems and they're all about animals on a farm. You can have your mom, dad, brother, sister read you the problem, and then you can use whatever you have at home to help you. Miss Henderson used these little sponges, but you can use Legos, crayons, whatever you need. If you want to draw a farm like I did to help you, you can. So your homework is going to be these 4 problems. Problem A, problem B, problem C, and problem D. Take a picture of your answers, and you can have your mom email it to me, text it to me, take a video of you telling me the answers to these problems. I'm going to leave this page up here on the video, so if you don't have the packet, just press pause and you can answer the problems from here, or you can pick up your packet tomorrow from the school. I love you guys very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.